Sun up on the screen, coffee gon' cold. Black and red candles telling me no. I watch that line like a shoreline move. If price holds there, I make my move. One clean entry, then I stay still. No chasing candles, no blind thrill. Wait for the pullback, let it come to me. Hold that line, then I breathe. VWAP, it's the line I trust. VWAP, when it clean and dust. VWAP, I don't need a gas. VWAP, that's my edge, my test. Fast hands, calm eyes, I seen the trap. Breakout, talks loud, and it snaps back. I cut small loss, take the bad aside. Let the runners run, let the weak ones die. ASFX in my head, keep the rules on lock. No tilt, no panic, just one more shot. Wait